Good morning, dear student. You are most welcome in this video. I hope you continue your study. And today, in this video, I will discuss chapter number 12, average. So, now let us start chapter number 12, average. I had given some practice question of chapter 11 ratio. I hope you are completed. Now come on, chapter number 12, average. Chapter number 12. Average. Average. So, I think by watching the TV or generally you know sometimes average are calculated in rainfall, temperature, rises, and in cricket match here different players having different average they are making in different matches. So here formula to calculate the average is given. You can note it in our book are given. We need to find average of calculating mass, rainfall, temperature, scores in a cricket match, age, height, weight, sale, income, etc. And here formula is given. Average, we can find the average total sum of given number of quantities divided by number of quantities Children, suppose I took a test of 40 students in a class and I find the average of getting mass 8 mass. I took the test of 10 mass and I find the average of mass is 8. It means most of the students in that class are getting 8 or near about 8 mass. So you can understand like this. Average is the value which characterizes the given data. So, and we find the average by using this formula, total sum of the given numbers of quantities divided by number of quantities. So now come on exercise on page number 151. Question number 1. Find the average of each of the set of numbers. And average for each set of numbers. First one here given rupees 9, rupees 7 and rupees 8. So I hope you know the formula. Average equal to total sum divided by number of quantity or number of number. So first we have to find the sum or total sum. Total sum 9 plus 7 plus 8, that is rupees, they are money. So 9 8 16, 16 and 8 24, rupees 24. And the number of quantities here, number of quantities 1 2 3 three quantities. You can use the formula as average total sum 24 divided by number of quantity 3. You know how to divide 24 by 3? It will become 8. That is rupees 8. So see, all the value here about 8. Here the average of 9, 7 and 8 coming 8. It means the whole quantity of this data near about 8. So you can find out the remaining by yourself or say by yourself. Now I am going to do here problem solving. Question number 2. Please see the questions from your textbook on page number 151, page number 151. 2 here written 2 and problem solving. First one see. Yes, dear student. Look, first question. There are 5 subjects in the quarterly examination. Anita got 84, 82, 74, 85 and 60 marks. What is her average marks? So, you know the formula of average. First we have to find the sum of mass, the total mass. So, total mass Anita got. In first subject 84, in second subject 82, in third 74, and fourth subject 85, and last subject, that is fifth subject 60. So you can add it 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 to 11, 11 and 5, 15. 1 carry. 8 is 16, 16 plus 17, 17 and 7, 17 and 7, 24, 24 and 6, 24 and 6, 30 and this 30. That is 385 marks. This much marks. And number of subject, a number of quantities, number of subject, the place of number of quantities, number of subject, number of subject. Here given 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now her average mass is asking what is her average mass. Hence her average mass. Total sum 385 divided by 5. You know division? 5 35. 35 from 38 we have to subtract. It will be 3 remainder and this 5 make 35. Again 5 that is 77 marks. It means she got 77 marks most of the subject. That is her marks near about 77. So in this way you can understand the idea of average. Her average marks 77. It means most of her marks near about 77. That is some marks may be more than 77 and some mark may be less than 77. So she got average 77 marks. This means of average 77 means her most of the marks near about 77. And all the questions are the same type. You can complete. No question are different. All are based on this formula. Now I would like to do one more question. Third one. See the weight of 4 coils in class are 51 kg, 56 kg, 48 kg and 23 respectively. Find the average weight of these coils. So third one, you can write the total weight of 4 students or 4 coils. Total weight of 4 boys, that is total sum 51 kg plus 56 kg plus 48 kg plus 53 kg. Add it. So 3 and 8 11 and 5 17 and 1 18. 1 will be 10. 5 5 10. 10 1 11. 11 and 4 15. 15 and 5 20. 208 kilograms. And number of quantity are number of numbers are number of boys here. Number of boys here 5. So average weight, we are asking find the average weight of these boys. Hence average weight of these boys are 4 boys. Total sum and weight divided by 4. 4 5 20, 4 2 this. That is 52 kg. That is most of the weight of these student 52 kg. That is these weight near about 52. So I hope remaining question you can complete by yourself. This chapter was very less, and here fifth one here given find the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit for first week of July as follows. These are given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 8 temperatures are given in Fahrenheit scale. He has to find the average temperature for the week. So you can do here number of days in a week. You can write 7 and when find the total temperature in first week of July by adding all the temperature, and you have to write degree Fahrenheit, and then you can find average degree. Children, I hope you understood how to find average and what the meaning of average, what the use of average in your daily life or in that is cricket matches and rainfall and for getting the weight of student and height and so on. If you have any problem, any doubt in this chapter, you can ask without any hesitation. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.